In today's world, more and more businesses require constant power for their critical systems. When utility power fails due to bad weather or another event, you absolutely need to know your generator is ready to operate. Cragg has the generator service team to ensure your peace of mind that your backup power system will work when needed. Choosing Cragg for your generator service means you will be supported with the right team and infrastructure to provide any needed maintenance and repairs, so you know you will be able to count on your generator. Cragg's team of factory-trained technicians has over 65 years of combined experience, and our techs are trained to service all brands of generators. We have service techs strategically located throughout Minnesota, Iowa, Nebraska, and North and South Dakota for responsive service call times. And with our 24/7 customer support coverage, you know you can count on immediate assistance in case of emergency. Our state-of-the-art GPS-tracked fleet of rugged service vehicles ensure our techs can get to any generator location and have the tools and supplies on hand to get the job done right. To avoid shipping and backorder wait times, Cragg's centrally located warehouse is fully stocked with a huge selection of generator parts for fast, convenient repairs. In addition to our ability to quickly field and perform service calls, Cragg's generator technicians can also provide additional manufacturer-recommended services like load banking, oil sampling and analysis, fuel conditioning, fuel sampling and analysis, battery replacement, air filter change, cooling system overhaul and fill. And so you can worry even less about your generator, Cragg offers our signature Power On annual maintenance plans. These include multi-point inspections of all equipment, as well as a full range of scheduled services to ensure your generator is always ready to perform. Please contact Cragg today to schedule your generator service, get more information about our Power On maintenance plans, or to learn more about the full range of critical power services we offer.